Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good on computer Roblox. First, ensure your computer meets the recommended system requirements for optimal performance. Adjust your in-game graphics settings to find a balance between visual fidelity and a consistent frame rate, aiming for 60 frames per second or higher. A stable internet connection, ideally wired, is crucial to avoid frustrating lag spikes. Also, a good gaming mouse can offer precise control, often with adjustable sensitivity settings. Mastering your controls is fundamental for good gameplay. Get comfortable with the standard keyboard and mouse layout, then consider customizing keybinds to better fit your personal preferences. Placing essential actions on easily accessible keys can significantly improve your reaction time. Practice advanced movement techniques, such as quick strafing and precise jumping, to navigate environments and evade opponents more effectively. Always keep an eye on your surroundings by skillfully manipulating the camera. Developing strong game sense and strategy is key to excelling. Take time to understand the specific rules and objectives of every game you enter. Watch how skilled players approach challenges and adapt their tactics. You can learn a lot from their methods. Effective communication with your teammates, whether through text chat or voice, can coordinate efforts and lead to victory. Cultivate your ability to make rapid, informed decisions under pressure, which is vital in fast-paced scenarios. For advanced play, consider exploring Roblox Studio. Understanding how games are built can deepen your strategic insight. Engage with the vibrant Roblox community through forums and groups to exchange knowledge and discover new strategies. Always keep your Roblox client and computer drivers updated to ensure optimal performance and security, preventing potential issues. Finally, don't be afraid to venture into diverse game genres. Each offers unique challenges that can hone different aspects of your gaming abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.